Hi, my name is Mauri. My partner is Andy, and we're gonna present how to analyze a point. Here we have the outline, the general outline. In the introduction, you will relate the poems with a common human experience that most people have, and then you will introduce the title and author. In here, you can put a little bit of the biography of the author, the most important facts of him, and then you will state your thesis. In here, you will summarize the whole information from the introduction, and also you will say what the essay is going to be about. Then in the body, you will discuss the first key poetic element and then the second key poetic element. And finally, the conclusion, when in here you will remind the readers about your thesis and you will summarize the whole information from the whole essay.
Hi, now we're going to present you the thinking maps that could easier you to manage your ideas while making the essay to analyze a poem. In this map, we're going to show you the bubble map. The bubble map consists of circles connected to a big circle. On the big circle, you're going to put the main title of the poem and the author. This means that you're going to talk about them. On the outer circles, you're going to add relevant and main information of the poem, such as the author's life and biography, and relevant information about them. Also, in these circles, you're going to add information of the poem, stuff that you can find, such as figurative language and specific main ideas. In the specific main ideas, you will want to add another little circle to this circle. This will make a subtitle of the circle. In the little circles, you can add the main idea of the specific idea that you want to talk about. Now we're going to show you an example of a bubble map that is already made. In this example, we're going to show you an example of the poem Annabelle by Edgar Allan Poe. In the big circle, you can see that it says Annabelle by Edgar Allan Poe. Always in the big circle in the middle, you're going to put the title that you're going to talk about and the author of it. In the outer circles, you can see that I added relevant information to the poem. It says that it can relate to Edgar's dark life. That is something relevant about the author's life. Also, you can see that I added stuff from the poem, such as the figurative language, the repetition, that it says the one oblique, since it repeats various times during the poem, and hyperbole, that it says that everyone was jealous of their love, even the gods and demons of the poem. And on the rhyme, I added one oblique, so it is repeated also. It decided with another key elements of poetic to make it rhyme. Now we're going to show you an example of an outline.
Now we're gonna show you an example of an outline about the poem Annabelle by Edgar Allan Poe. In the introduction, you see that we have you heard about Annabelle? This can be your gathering attention to gather the reader's attention. Also, we put Edgar Allan Poe facts about him. In here, you will read the biography of Edgar Allan Poe, and you will put the most important things about his life. And then the thesis will, in here you will summarize the whole information from the introduction, and also you will say what the essay is going to be about. Then body 1, we will use this body for the figurative language. In here you will look for simile, that are comparison between two things using like or as. Metaphor, that is almost the same but just without using like or as. And personification, that is giving human qualities to a non-human object. And then you will end the paragraph with a clincher sentence. Then on body 2, you will put about symbols. This can be persons, things, or places, and also you would end the paragraph with a clincher sentence. Then on the body 3, we will talk about literary devices. These are the rhyme, alliteration, and repetition of words. As we said before, Annabelle can be an example of repetition. And then also you will find you will end the paragraph with a clincher sentence, and to finalize the essay you will put the conclusion, and in here you will put your opinion about the poem. Now with all this information, now you can analyze a poem and write an essay about that. Hopefully you learn something, and we hope you enjoy this. Thank you for all your attention.
Now, in here we're going to see how the outline changed with the poem we choose. In introduction, to relate to our common human experiences, we used a question to grab the reader's attention about have you heard about Emily? Also, on the introduction of the author and poem, we put Edgar Allan Poe, which is the author of the poem. In the body, we used the key poetic elements to 1 to 3. You can see that we use the simile, metaphor, personification, and others. And the conclusion, we reminded the readers about the thesis, and we made a small summary of the essay.